Are known for their grace and their beauty and their fabulous costumes.
But we're about to meet the next ballerina who's definitely lost her step.
Yikes. This is my sassy dress. We also call it the body condom. We have this silver lame material, very stretchy, very form-fitting.
I can't listen to any more of that because I'm like, first of all, yeah, okay, so you bought a dress that basically you can only wear when the entire population is drunk. This is like the exact opposite of the person we met just 5 seconds ago.
I feel like it flatters me in a strange way.
What is that way?
The strange way. What's with all the bulky knits?
These are the kind of sweaters you wear with sweatpants. You have tissue stuffed up your sleeve. Like, how many times have you had swine flu this year? What about this?
That's one of my favorite sweaters to wear in the wintertime.
It's like Bert and Ernie had a baby and it's you. So what do you think this says about you?
She likes fruit. She gets a lot of vitamin C.
Yeah, I make pie. This is a really cute top. What do you wear it with?
Black pants, sometimes khaki to jazz things up.
Woohoo! A khaki for jazzing things up.